Hello guys, today, well, this started off random. I was in my bedroom over there, and right there in my window over there, and I started hearing gunshots. So, we don't know where that came from, but hopefully, maybe someone's getting shot up, like,
That's gay.
so,
Yeah.
we heard it.
I hope they do it. See, y'all hear that?
We hear gunshots. Someone's getting shot up. Someone's getting shot up.
I'm pretty sure those are not gunshots, but they sound like gunshots.
They are gunshots.
They're not.
Someone get blown away by a pistol. Shit. Alright guys, follow me.
So, what we talking about? We in the hood and we hear a lot of gunshots, alright? We on the river. Hearing gunshots all the time, right? Since we always hearing gunshots and everything, this is not the unordinary. So, we hear a lot of gunshots before, but these are the biggest ones we ever heard. But I'm pretty sure it's because it's the 4th of July. And people are popping
4th of July, motherfuckers.
firecrackers, not gunshots. So, we're pretty
Gunshots. Gunshots.
They're not.
Let's go. Follow me. Get right. Oh.
Okay. So,
motherfuckers.
So, we thinking it's he's thinking it's gunshots.
It's gunshots.
And I'm thinking it's I'm thinking it's just fireworks.
Ah! It's guns! 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 Guns!
He is crazy.
Guns!
He is crazy. Felt better? Oh my god! He running pantless, y'all. And shirtless. He just put his pants back on. And now he's trying to put his shirt back on. This dude is stupid. So, we're gonna say sayonara on these gunshots. Because this dude is out of breath and don't know how to put his shirt on right.
Peace out, guys. Peace out. Peace out.